Hi Sagittarius, today I'm going to do general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. If you like my content, please do like the video, guys, then it will reach more people. And thank you so much for supporting me. If anyone needs a personal reading, I am giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me and readings are chargeable. So first we will see general messages regarding your career and finances, then we will see love messages. So Sagittarius, fire sign, sun, moon, rising and Venus. So let's see the present situation regarding your career and the present energy under the deck 8 of swords. The present energy is Knight of Wands, which is very, very passionate about your career or what you are doing right now. You have a lot of passion towards what you are doing right now, but somewhere you are feeling stuck. You have so many plans, like I want to do that, I want to do this, but regarding taking action, you're taking action without having proper planning. So you need to have proper plan, okay, before taking any action, because having proper plan and execution are very, very important. And the present energy, King of Wands, present situation, King of Wands, Page of Cups and Seven of Wands. See, focusing on your passion is one thing, taking stand for yourself and especially taking stand against your odds is another thing. Because right now I'm seeing you are facing a lot of obstacles, you're facing a lot of difficulties in your career or finances. You are overcoming. Already you're taking stand. If not, you have to, because nobody is going to take. And definitely you're getting so many opportunities. Don't think like this is small opportunity, this is big opportunity. No. Sometimes small opportunities will turn into big. So always grab opportunity and don't be in stuck energy. So let's see the future. Magician, Page of Swords, the Sun, and Ten of Cups. So the future is very, very promising. But again, magician means manifestation energy. So you will be in the magician energy, so you can manifest whatever you want. So be clear about your intentions and thoughts. And Page of Swords means wandering. Don't wonder like this is going to happen, that is going to happen. Just take action. Then definitely you will see big success. You will see major changes in your career, especially abundance will come because the sun, and you will be happy, your family will be happy because financial abundance will come, emotional stability will come. But one thing you have to do, you have to think positively, because the magician energy, whatever you are thinking repeatedly, it is going to manifest. Either it could be positive or negative, it doesn't matter. Your thoughts matter, whatever you're thinking dominantly. So that's why take care of your thoughts regarding money and your career. So let's see what are the messages for you regarding your career and finances. Queen of Cups, Eight of Wands, and the Hermit. Spend some quality time with yourself, love yourself, put yourself first. You're going to get new opportunities, and Eight of Wands means new opportunities will come to you. And things will move forward. So let's see health forecast. Five of Wheels, Ten of Swords, Two of Wands, and Seven of Pentacles. Right now, some of you have a lot of health issues, especially you are going through mentally something, maybe financial issues. Due to financial issues, your mental health is also disturbing. So you need to take care of your mental health first, okay? uh, if you're having something like very seriously, you have something, you have some issue, but you are not telling to anyone, don't do that, because go to doctor if you're having any issue, because I'm seeing some issue but you are in waiting mode. I will go after 2 days. No, you have to go immediately, because health is very, very important. You need to take care of your health. Today, I think the energy is very, very different from yesterday. So you need to take care of your health. So let's see love messages. So your person current thoughts, your current thoughts, your person present energy and your present energy. Your person present energy is Three of Cups. They are like a very happy going person, but regarding your relationship, Four of Pentacles, Five of Cups, and Knight of Swords. They're definitely holding themselves back emotionally. They're carrying some burden, past baggage with them right now. One time they want to communicate, another time they're holding themselves back. At the same time, your person had some past baggage. It may be regarding you or maybe past relationship. And your present energy is Four of Cups, which means you are like missing something or someone here. You are not focusing on present. And your current thoughts, the Chariot, Six of Swords, and Empress. You are moving forward, but very, very slow moving. And you choosing yourself, you want to be on your power. You both are focusing like on your pace. Yeah, because your person is also not expressing, they're focusing on their self, they're focusing on their pace, and you're focusing on your pace. I'm seeing some disturbance, communication gap between both of you guys. And lots of you are dealing with Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, lot of water energy is here, especially Cancer, then Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person next action. And some of you are in no contact situation also. The Moon, Knight of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, and Ace of Cups. So your person is overthinking, but finally they're going to listen to their intuition, and their intuition is telling that you are their person. They are going to take action and they're going to offer a new beginning. But will you accept? And some of you are dealing with Pisces water sign. So let's clarify the Moon. See, they want progress now. And lots of you are dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire sign. So let's see what is the near future outcome of this relationship and where this relationship is headed on. Justice, Seven of Wands, and Three of Swords. You both will miss each other, difference each other, balance, try to balance the situation. Knight of Cups, Temperance, Nine of Cups, and Nine of Pentacles. So patience will be the key. Knight of Cups with Nine of Cups, which means things will move forward, but very, very slow moving. I'm seeing some grounded energy in near future, but not immediately. It is going to take time. Again, lots of you are dealing with another Sagittarius fire sign. So let's see what are the messages for you regarding the situation you are in. You need to focus on yourself and you have enough strength to deal with any situation that is coming towards you. The Magician is all about you will be in the Magician energy, so you can manifest whatever you want. So be clear about your intentions and thoughts and work on yourself. Focus on yourself. So let's say energy oracle messages. Attachment. You are attached to some people and situations. You need to come out of this attachment. Anxiety. So right now you are going through some anxiety or depression. So you need to come out of that. The Garden and the Gate. Right now you are in the safe place. Step out of your comfort zone. So if you want to achieve something big, first you need to step out of your comfort zone. Look at the bigger picture. Full moon in Sagittarius. Some of you are dealing with under Sagittarius. So try to see things in different perspective, and a new start is coming under the deck. So definitely a new start is coming regarding your career or relationship. You deserve love, you are lovable. So if you are thinking that you are not deserve love, you don't deserve love, no, you are lovable, you deserve love. Codependency, addictions are affecting your love life. Maybe codependency involved in your relationship. Honeymoon, enjoy the bliss of quality time together. Kisses, unconditional loving, giving and receiving affection, falling in love. Hammer, sabotage, rebuilding, interrogation, repetitive, persistent, working on it. The golden mirror, self-absorbed, narcissist, one-sided relationship, love bombing. Yeah, for some maybe you are in this relationship, but I'm seeing rebuilding the relationship and you both are going to working on it. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. If anyone needs a personal reading, I am giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me. Readings are chargeable. Thank you so much.